What's up, everybody? This is Ken. I am back with another accessory, very important accessory. The company that sent it to me is a new company I've been talking to back and forth. They've sent me a couple of things, and you'll probably see in new videos. Stay tuned for that. Is a Vion HEPA filter, and as you can see right here, kind of shows what they are. In this Model 3, Tesla already gives you like 2 filters, and they're kind of cheap. They're located kind of down here. That's where I'll have to replace them. And they are charcoal, and they are 4-layered, and it's anti-drying. It is HEPA class 11, PM 2.5, filtering 98.4%. What's included is like 2 HEPA filters, removal tools, and installation instructions as well. But I only have like 21,600 miles on my car right now, and it's been over 2 years. Crazy. What I'm gonna probably do is my Tesla floor mats, take them out. Underneath the glove box, I'm gonna remove that and then prod this part open down here, which you can't see. It gives you better airflow, which is not so good in the regular stock Tesla air filters. So let's see if I can do this. First thing I'm doing right now is moving the Tesla mat out of the way. Now we are under the glove box, and I'm going to use my pry tool, and there's a couple of little ones we need to take out. There's one right here. This makes it very easy to take these out. I think I'm supposed to have 4, but I only got 3, so that one came out very easy. So now I'm just gonna pull down on this. I'm gonna use my pry tool. Remove this right here, and then this right here I think is for the speaker. See? Really easy. That one was a little bit more difficult, but now I have it free. This, I can just put it anywhere. I'll just stick it up here. Pry this open so we can get to the old filters. Okay, so I do got a little room to work, and all I'm gonna do is kind of, because there are some clamps, there might be some that pops out, but that's okay. You can see down in there like that. You see there's one clamp that came off right here. And you see how those are clamped in. So I'm just gonna place it just like it was. See, take this, get rid of it. If you do have a 2017 to 2020 Model 3, there will be a screw kind of like this one down here that you will have to move a orange wire to the side, but since I have a 2021 and anything after the 2021, they moved it to the bottom here. So all I have to do is remove that. All right, so I'm just using my hand, taking it off here. Keep that screw somewhere safe. I don't know if you saw that. There is a little tab up here. So all I'm gonna have to do is pull it out. And of course I'll let you look at it afterwards. And then there's also a bottom one here. You just pull up. This one, there's dirt. There's dust flying. Look at that dust that came off of it. But how to put them in, I believe the charcoal will face in the cabin area of the car. And I have to make sure that this tab is out. So next time I replace them, all I gotta do is pull on it. So this first one I put in, it will drop down in there. drops right down in there, and the tab is out. Grab the second one, turn that charcoal towards the cabin where we sit, and you just place it on top of it. Just got to work it a little bit. So I can officially say Vion's air filters do fit perfectly. I got the tab here, okay? Then I should have the tab up here as well to make it easy. I'll go ahead and put it together, skip everything. I'm just doing pretty much everything in reverse. Back to normal now. I did vacuum up there where some of that debris and dust got on my floor. Put the panel back on there, it snaps right back in. Let's just go ahead and check out how the old filter looks. All right, so here they are. Look at that. So that's after 2 years. Let's look and see if we can kind of see in each slide. I mean, it's a lot of dirt in each one of these. Yeah, it's pretty nasty. I'm kind of mad that I went this long, but I can see dust already just falling on my trunk mat there, like little bird feathers, I guess. And this is, I don't know, but you get the gist. Great job, Vion. I'm so happy that it fits. If you have any questions, please let me know. This YouTube can. See you in the next video.